how to see the purchase recs that are pending approval. Now, in SAP, if you have workflow activated, it should be in your inbox. If you are one of the approvers, it'll be in your inbox under workflow. And so you should be getting those purchase recs that are waiting for your approval or processing. And if you want to see the entire site purchase recs that are pending approval, and if you only have access to me5a, so me5a allows you to search purchase requisitions. So in me5a, you have some standard fields that you can limit what you want to search by requisition or so on, and also these fields. So closed requisitions are either already turned into POs or have been denied. With just these two boxes checked, there's also dynamic selections. So I've got 4 selected here. So these are the 4 that I've added already. These 4 are active fields. If you want to add more, there are all these fields on the left and here that you can add, depending on what you were looking for, fields of purchase recs or fields of account assignments. So once you've added the parameters you want, you have it configured the way you want, you should save this as a variant and protect yourself. Now, if you're going to have a whole bunch of different processes of variants, then you number them. So you have like 1-PReqs pending approval. So they would be listed first, and then so on. Each step in your business process would have a number. One problem with me5a is that when you go into this transaction, even if you save something as a user variant with u_, with your username, it won't default. Like when you go into me5a, it doesn't load your default. You have to go get it. It's not a big deal, but it's just something you have to be aware of. So this is the one I made that has those active variables. And save that change and execute. So this layout is the layout I preferred because I wanted it to be able to export this to Excel and have the created column and so on. So once I created the layout I wanted within the layout configuration, you can have all your different options the way you want it. Then when you save it as what you want and has your user default. So it comes up automatically every time you run it. And to export this to Excel, you have this icon right here. And if you say always use, then it'll default to that. You won't get this extra pop-up. Some companies, the desktop is the SAP desktop. It's not the user's desktop. So I'll go this PC to be safe and put it on the desktop. There you go. So that's one way of getting a list of purchase recs that are pending processing.